This is the Power Brick Nozzle, a 3D print capable of watering up to 6 devices at once. And it is just one of 4 diabolical nozzles I'm showcasing in today's video. That's right, by popular demand, 7 months after designing the original 3 useless 3D printed hose nozzles, we're back on a mission to design the most cursed nozzle yet. Something so terrible, AI could only dream of slopping it together. Which was not my original intention. My original plan was to design useful hose nozzles in this video, but that was quickly derailed by the infuriating design process of the first nozzle I tried to make. This nozzle had me facing one of the most challenging things I've ever tried to tackle with a 3D printer, a watertight shutoff valve. I've tried 3 times in the past with 3 different mechanisms, but I thought, heck, we'll get it on the 4th try, right? Something in my gut told me a ball valve might just work, and it mostly did. After a week and a half of iterating. But this success came at a cost. My patience, my ego, my sanity, out the freaking window. Designing this thing was mind-numbing. Ball valves are not that interesting to begin with, and they definitely don't get more interesting on the 7th rendition. I didn't want to go through that process again for even more useful nozzles, so I decided to shift gears and instead try to design the most diabolically cursed nozzle instead. And to its credit, our first useless nozzle may have actually helped in this mission, as my brain was quite rotten at this point, so I surely couldn't design anything useful. Point in case. Where'd it go? We'll be right back. I'm gonna go find this. Point in case, I would like to present to you the Power Brick Nozzle with the ability to water up to 3 devices, as well as convenient USB adapters. Yeah, this was the first thing I came up with and I made it, so I'd put this nozzle in B tier on the useless nozzle tier list, which is a pretty good start. Okay, next idea. So I thought about this, and attention spans, what's that? Attention spans, what was I saying? All right, so as I was saying, attention spans, for this next nozzle, attention spans are at an all-time low, right? And sometimes to water plants, especially if they're big, you gotta stand there for like 30 seconds or more. And that's a lot of time. Some plants are gonna be dehydrated. So I had this brilliant idea. Why not put a fidget or a series of fidgets on our nozzle? That way we can actually sit there and water plants for 30 seconds. Anyways, we're gonna go try and design that one now. Designing this was actually kind of fun because I got to make a bunch of twisty components. All right, I just got this off the printer bed, and this is the fidget nozzle. I added this band right here so you can spin it around while you're watering your plants, and if that gets boring, there's this little knob here for you to spin around as well. And now, some houseplants might survive this weird limbo area where attention spans are not long enough to get them water, but also humanoid robots aren't watering our plants for us. Does that joke make sense? I hope that joke makes sense. Anyways, I think this is another B tier nozzle. There's a hypothetical purpose for it, just not a good one. However, this nozzle did lead me to a new problem to solve. I started printing this nozzle in the evening, which meant it would finish printing when it was dark out, which posed a problem because you can't water in the dark, right? Or can you? This is a flashlight adapter nozzle, so you can continue watering plants all throughout the night. We just hook that bad boy up right there, screw this on right here, and boom, look at that. Isn't that fancy? This is stupid. Ironically, this one finished in the daytime, so now we have to wait until night again to test it. Unfortunately, I think we went backwards on this tier. This is a D tier nozzle. I can see real world applications of this nozzle more than I can with the other 2 at least. Clearly, my inability to think was wearing off, so it was now or never with this final nozzle. Fortunately, it was at this point that I was hit with my most diabolical idea yet. What's one of the worst feelings in the world? Obviously, it's wet socks. So, what if I design a hose nozzle directly meant for getting your socks wet? Anyways, I'm gonna go design that now. My original plan was to take a 3D print of a foot, put holes in it, and slap garden hose threads on it. But then I realized I have an old shoe. And so then I created this, a shoe to hose nozzle adapter. And we're just gonna put it in there. There we are. Oh, okay. We're just gonna, right there. Stick a knife through. Let's see if we can get this thing in there. All right, there we go. Now we just hook up the hose to that and get some wet socks. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I filmed this nozzle when I filmed the flashlight nozzle, so that's why it's dark. I can confirm it, in fact, got my socks wet, at least one of them. But promptly after hydrating my socks, the nozzle shot out and knocked my phone and flashlight over, which I think this was the universe giving me a sign to reflect, because standing there in the dark with a single wet sock on, because I created a hose nozzle to shoe adapter, I came to the realization this has probably gone on long enough. I think this is an S tier nozzle, but I guess there's only one way to find out. Hello chat, I have a question for you. Give me the most diabolical, terrible, awful, most useless 3D printed hose nozzles you can think of. Alright, if socks show up, then I failed, but 37 microjet, all pointing different directions, flow activated whistle chamber,
ergonomic reverse grip, Randomite, weak by design, pressure sensitive, missed impossible, and I don't
see anything about socks, so I think I win. Chat, I'm coming for your job. I have worse ideas than you. Anyways, that's the fourth and final nozzle for this video. This was the first episode of a series I'm calling Treverse 3D Printing. Each episode will explore innovative, or in this case, interesting, ways to use your 3D printer. So if you're interested in 3D print content, make sure to subscribe. All the resources I used and the downloads to these 3D prints can be found in the description. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you have any terrible 3D printed hose nozzles that just need to exist. My name is Trevor, and it's my goal to inspire your next 3D print. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck with your own projects.